Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a domain to your domain group. Adding a domain is pretty simple. First, we must create a domain group. Click on the Domains menu item to navigate to your domain groups page. Click on the Add Domain Group button, and a small dialog window will appear. Enter the group's name and select your hosting account. That hosting account will be the default hosting account for all your domains. Under Allow IP Groups option, you can select specific IP groups that this domain group can use. If you wish to allow your domain group to use all available IP addresses, simply leave this part blank. Click the Add button, and you have successfully created a domain group. Now go into your domain group and click on the Add Domains tab. It's time to add your domain. Enter your domain in the text box and click on Next. Now, on to the next step. You can select the desired IP address from the drop-down list. And if you wish to use a different hosting account than the one assigned to your domain group, you can do it here. If you wish, you can automatically install an SSL certificate for your domain by toggling the switch in the SSL column. Turning on the SSL certificate installation also enables you to set up a redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Next, if you wish, you can automatically install software as well. In this example, we wish to install WordPress. Choosing the software enables the protocol selector. Because we chose to install an SSL certificate, it's automatically set to HTTPS. And last, if we have a software preset that we want to use, then we can choose it as well. Once you are done with everything, click the Next button. On the last page, you will see an overview of all the domains you are about to add. Review your domains. If everything is fine, click on the Add Domains button. Your domain has now been added to your domain group, and our system will set it up for you now. We can see that our new domain is now in the adding state. We can click on the Tasks tab to see a list of all the tasks we have created. Right now, we just have a single task. That's the task for the domain we just set up. If you click on the plus icon in front of the task to expand it, you will see that our system has already set up your domain and is currently working on installing software for you. You can click on the Refresh button to reload the task view. Now that we can see that the task has been completed, let's go back to our domain list and reload it to see that our domain is indeed set up and the software has been installed. It was that simple. Our system lets you set up and configure hundreds of domains at once, saving you a lot of time. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.